everybody, how you doing? It is Dr. Uke here, and I wanted to make a quick video of this new Justin Bieber song, Peaches. Now, I don't have a play-along video for today because the lyrics are not exactly kid-friendly, but for those of you who still wanted to give this a go, here are the chords. Well, there's only 4 of them for the entire song. We have the F major 7, okay, we have the E minor 7, we have this D minor 7 add 11 type chord, but you can just call it D minor 7, and then the C major 7, okay? So let's go through all 4 of those chords and then go over the strum pattern, and that should be that, okay? Let's start with this F major 7. So basically I'm putting my first finger all across the strings, or across all the strings, on the 5th fret, and my ring finger on the 7th fret. Okay, if you're not quite getting a good sound, that just means that you might need to adjust your barring finger. Okay, you might need to press it up some, might need to press it down, might need to curve it a little bit, or to roll it to the side a little bit. But yeah, just play around with that a little bit and you'll get it. Okay, and the E minor 7, we're going to keep this ring finger on this first string, and we're going to add this first finger to the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and the middle finger on the third string, 4th fret. I hope I said that right. Okay, anyway, here it is right here. That's the E minor 7. Okay, now for the D minor 7, all we're going to do is slide it down to the 1st fret. And then, of course, for your C major 7, just one finger right there on that 1st string, 2nd fret. Okay, so again, here's your F major 7, your E minor 7, your D minor 7, and your C major 7. Strum pattern. Okay, if you notice, I did a little slippity slide here. I went, that's just something that's just, you know, sounds cool, so I added in there. So I'm doing down, up, 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 down. E minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up. There it is. Okay. Alright, I hope that was helpful. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, feel free to give it a like and subscribe. I'm going to have a lot more tutorials just like this, so I hope to see you around. See you later.